After you have multiple service plans created, you may want to look at them together simultaneously in an organized fashion. You can do that with a multi-plan grid. Select the plans you'd like to view, then select the drop-down and choose multi-plan grid. Note that the top row and the first column are frozen, meaning you can scroll up and down or left to right, and the header as well as the first column will stay in place. That way you're always aware of what each intersection is. Almost everything that can be accomplished on a single plan view can be done within the multi-grid plan view. Select the cog icon to import a template, copy a plan, hide a plan. You can also change the image. If you click on the name, it opens that plan in another screen. You can edit the plan details by clicking on them. You can see the service times, and if you click on that time, you can edit those. To delete a time, you need to click on it and then select the delete button. And to add a time, you'll click on the cog menu. Everything in dark gray can be collapsed. The order of service is editable as well. You also have drag and drop functionality in the multi-plan grid view. The drag and drop functionality works for the serving teams as well. You can add volunteers by clicking on the Add Volunteer. To increase the need, you just click on the plus sign. You can also decrease all the way down to 0, and then it will go away. To get that position back, click on the cog menu, which is the same cog menu as seen in the schedule. Click on needed positions to add that position back to the schedule. Options from the global serving team view are the same as the options on the actions drop-down button within the service plan. Show all positions will show all positions for all of the volunteer teams. If you want to add an entire team that's not being shown currently, select the serving cog menu, show all positions, and that will show all the positions that are not currently on the plan, like this support position here. The icon to the left of the cog will allow you to email volunteers for that specific plan on that specific date. If you want to email all of the volunteers for all of the plans currently being shown, you would select Grid Actions at the top left, Send Email. It will default to all plans, all teams, and statuses that are non-contacted. Here you see a pop-up of emails that will be sent. In this scenario, I had only scheduled one person. Press Send to send the requests. This person was emailed for all 4 plans, as you can see here. You can respond to all 4 weeks as well. These requests will show up within the software under the person's profile, where you can click on them and respond within the software also. Let's go back to the multi-grid view. I'll just select 2 this time. From this view, I can add additional plans to this grid. If I want to see the plan after March 25th, I just select the arrow that reads Load Next Plan. As well, I can add the plan before March 18th. And I can keep loading plans until there are no more to load. In that case, the arrows will disappear. You can only load up to 10 services. You can remove a plan from the grid by clicking on the icon and selecting Hide Plan. This will hide the plan. It will not delete the plan.